Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can do some color correction on Camtasia. Something from this to this. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
So to add some color correction, let me open Camtasia. I am using Camtasia 2021. I have this sample video from Pixels. Let me drag this video to Camtasia. Let me also copy and paste this video so that it's easy to see the difference later. Now to make the color correction, go to Visual Effects. If you can't see it here, then it may be inside More. Anyway, then drag this color adjustment. The video will be turned to black and white, but don't worry. On this panel on the right, change everything to 0. This will basically bring the color back to the original video. Then play with these adjustments as you like. Please note, you will have to customize this as per your video. Anyway, you can already see the difference. Additionally, you can also drag colorize. And choose the appropriate color, the color tone you want for the video, and adjust the amount as you want. So this is how you can make the necessary color adjustments to the videos using Camtasia. Thank you very much.